video is about affiliate marketing. We'll be covering some of the basics, such as what is affiliate marketing, how does it work. Stick with me because we're going to be looking at why most affiliates fail. If this is your first time visiting this channel, welcome. It's great to have you here. I'm George Pierce, and I create videos about making money online. If you'd like to work online, work from home online, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, and I'll send you an update whenever I make a new video. And if you want to know my #1 recommendation for making a full-time income online, click on the first link in the description below, and I will send you all the details. Getting back to our video, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is bringing buyers and sellers together. The seller, it can be a company, a business, a person. They're the ones that are going to pay you a commission. The seller can also be referred to as a merchant, a retailer, an advertiser, or a brand. And you can make a commission based on what's called cost per action or cost per sale. Technically, it's all cost per action because one of the actions can be a sale. It's broken down typically in cost per action and cost per sale. Cost per action is when your visitor or your prospect takes a particular action, and that could be landing on the sales page. That could be completing a survey. That could be signing up for a free trial. And a cost per sale, of course, is when they make a purchase. When they make a purchase, you're going to get a percentage or a fee based on that purchase. In affiliate marketing, there's usually another entity, and that's called a network. Networks will handle many affiliates. They're an affiliate center. That's where you can go and find affiliates. Networks will also typically will handle the payments as well. The customer, of course, is the buyer, and that could be also the visitor, the prospect, the lead. It's that person that you send to your seller. And next we have you, and you can also be referred to as the affiliate, as the publisher, or as a partner. We want to keep this simple, and you want to keep this simple, and it works best when you keep it simple. So simply put, when you send an interested visitor to your seller and that visitor makes a sale, you make money. If you decide that you want to become an affiliate marketer, all you need to do is go to an affiliate network such as ClickBank, Pay.com, join the network. Networks are free to join, and then choose the sellers that you want to affiliate with. In many cases, you're going to be approved immediately, and in some cases, you're going to have to wait for an approval process, and that can take 2 or 3 days. Once approved, then you're going to get a special link. It's your link. It's an affiliate link. No one else is going to have that link. That's yours. And when someone uses your link and makes a purchase, you make a commission. This brings us to something else, which is called an affiliate cookie. Cookies. After your visitors land on your seller's website, there's usually a certain amount of time, a certain time frame in which they have to make a purchase in order for you to get credit, in order for you to get paid. That time frame is called a cookie, and that can be anywhere from, typically that could run from 7 days to 30 days to 1 year to a lifetime. The longer the cookie, the better. As an affiliate marketer, your job is to send traffic to sellers. This is where most affiliates, new affiliates, and even experienced affiliates can go wrong. What happens is they make not one mistake, they actually make 2 mistakes, and these are major mistakes. What happens is that new affiliates turn sending visitors into selling visitors, and it's not selling visitors, it's sending visitors. Take your focus off of selling and put your focus on motivating your visitor to do one simple thing. And that one simple thing is to visit the seller's website. When you get into what's called level 2, it's actually going to be to join your list. You're going to be creating or building a mailing list, but initially it is to visit your seller. And that action is called a click-through. So the whole reason why you're doing this is for the click-through. So you're supposed to be inspiring or motivating your seller in order to take that action, in order to click through to go to your affiliate. And still what happens, or what I find with most new affiliates, is that motivating or inspiring still registers is that you still have to sell them. That's not right. There are several ways. I'm going to share 3 ways that you can use to help motivate your prospect to get the click-through instead of selling them. Leave the selling to your seller. That's their job. In fact, if you take all the information from your seller and put it on your web page, when your prospect gets to the seller's page, this is old information. So what can you do? Well, one of the tricks that works very well is talk about how your seller's product is going to benefit your visitor. Share what are called features and benefits, and put most of your emphasis and most of your focus on the benefits. It's called what's in it for me, and that's really what they want to know. How is this going to help them? If there are any benefits that are special, that are better, that are different, that are unique, certainly be sure to include those as well. Number 2, another way to motivate or inspire people to get that click-through is to let them know what's going to happen if they don't buy. What are some of the consequences of not using the product, of not buying the product or the service? And a third way is called reassurance. Examples of reassurance is how has this product helped others? How have others benefited from them? Think along the idea of testimonials, other forms of reassurance, other ways to reassure your visitor. If there's any kind of a guarantee, a warranty, a no-risk trial, 30-day trial, money-back guarantees, these are all reassurance that are going to help to motivate your visitor to get the click-through. What's your next step? If you want to learn more, allow me to invite you to watch one of my videos. It's What Do I Need to Get Started as an Affiliate Marketer? You'll find a link below to the video. And if you'd like to get started for free, 100% free, and that includes website, blog, sales funnels, autoresponder, everything you're going to need. You'll also find a link below to a complete online business package. It's all free and includes everything you need to get started. If you like this video, I certainly hope you do. If you found value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do that right now. Hit that like button, smash that like button, turn it blue. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. And be sure to subscribe if you like this kind of content, so that way I can notify you when my videos get published. Thank you for watching. Allow me to wish you much success, and I'll see you in the next video.